Hello, with us here today we have the eco-friendly 110 volt electric vibrating plate, sometimes referred to in the trade as a wacker plate. If you need to compact building materials such as hardcore, sand or cement, but you are working indoors or would prefer to avoid a petrol powered engine, then this is precisely what you are looking for. It has a low hand-arm vibration design for extended and safe usage time. This vibrating plate is easy to manoeuvre and control, as the base plate does not dig in when dragged or turned. This lightweight compaction plate runs off a 110 volt power supply, so you need to plug it in using an RCD and a power converter. Both items are available at checkout on hss.com. The entire unit weighs just 50 kilograms, making it easy to manoeuvre and suitable for a two-person lift. It also helps that the handle is detachable to be stored away and transported in a van or truck. To start the vibrating plate, set it down in the work area, connect the power cables, balance yourself and press the green start button. When on, it will not only vibrate, but it will pull itself forward, so all you must do is use the grab rail to guide it in the right direction. When you are ready to stop using the machine, press the red stop button to turn it off and unplug the power supply. It would be best if you worked in straight lines, working from left to right and then top to bottom, overlapping as you go. If divots and dips appear, then refill and compact the affected area. When using this equipment, you should be wearing full PPE, including gloves, ear defenders, goggles and safety boots, and you should only operate that machine if you have been trained and are competent in doing so. To find out more and view our full range of compacting equipment, visit hss.com today.